To start with ikonteros.com, you should click Sign In on the upper right corner. Type the email and registered password, and click on Login. The welcome page is the dashboard. It is divided by the user's quick access menu. Main menu, latest news about ikonteros, and the latest tips to create content. Also, you have a link to post a recommendation on the login page of ikonteros. Inside the main menu you have the links for dashboard, profile, cloud, collaborators, breakdown video, settings, and logout. To access the profile there are two ways, the main menu and user's quick access menu. Inside the profiles page you may update all the needed information. Important, some fields are required as name and last name. You may update your password, but cannot change the registered email. Among the optional fields, we suggest to set up your time zone to show correctly the planned and published content. Inside the collaborators page you may add the allow users from your active plan. To do that, type an email, select the reach as source or video, we suggest always video. Then select the type of collaborator from the list. And finally, click on the green button with a plus sign. Inside the breakdown videos page you have a suggested checklist to produce your content. Something to consider like topic, benefit, keywords, thumbnail, title, description, story guide, shooting locations, and a call to action. You can add more or delete them as needed. Inside the settings page, you may clear cached files when something doesn't look right. Add a recommendation, add a new source, delete the current source, or terminate your account on ikonteros. Inside the clouds page is where we work and is called Cloud Fast View. On this screen you will see all what you marked as published and what you are planning. For the published content you can filter it for the last 7 days, for weeks, 90 days, 365 days, custom dates, or show all data. You can search within all your content. Those titles in black are videos marked as published and those titles in blue are planned videos. To close, simply click on the X on the upper right corner. To add a new video, click on the icon with plus sign on the upper middle of your screen. To get into planning, please click on the icon on the lower center of your screen. The planning page is divided between the videos with a deadline and those without deadline. The videos with a deadline can be filtered for the next 7 days, for weeks, 90 days, 365 days, or custom dates. To add a new video, click on the icon with plus sign on the upper middle of your screen. To come back to Cloud Fast View, you must click on the green cloud on the lower center of your screen. To view the planning of a video, please click the thumbnail of the selected video. On the next page, you will see the thumbnail, title, and the keywords. If you wish to modify something, please click on the Edit button. In the next page, we will show you 3 sections: the video edit, the collaborators, and the breakdown video. In the video edit section, you may modify it by clicking on the pencil of the thumbnail, video status, creation date, deadline date, title of the video, description, keywords, or the script of the video. Once you click on the script's pencil, you will have access to the script assistant. Using specific questions, it will guide through your content creation process to keep it consistent. Now, if what you want is to delete a video, you may click on the Delete Video button. Or, you may repeat the basic plan of your video by clicking the Duplicate button. On the Collaborators section, you can add a new collaborator by clicking the icon with plus sign. Inside the Breakdown Videos page, get access to the chosen point by clicking on the arrow. There you may type some comments, and interact with collaborators. To come back to the list, click on the house icon. To go out from the editing mode of the selected video, please go to the Video Edit section and click on Close. This will take you to the selected video view, and by clicking on the Close button, you will come back to Cloud Fast View.